HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art. Hey kids, look what it is! An ice cream van! Yay! Are you ready to draw it? Let's begin. Start with the wheels. Draw the van and headlight. Another wheel too. Tail light. The window. And the real magic, ice cream. Let's make a roof. Front window. And all the small details. Lastly, the big ice cream on top. This is how we know our favorite ice cream van is approaching. Time to paint, kids. Start with pink for the truck. The color gold will look lovely for the window. And some sparkly silver too. Bright green for the wheels. Some brown too. Cyan for the interior. Sea green for the van roof. Red for the tail light and the roof. Don't forget the headlight. Let's add some green to our roof too. The yummy scoops with purple, golden and red. Brown for the cones. And let's make the big ice cream chocolate flavored. Yum! Light pink for a cone. And done! Look, here goes our van to serve happiness with yummy ice cream. Hope you had fun drawing an ice cream van.
Hey kids, let's draw a mixer truck. You're just going to do some circles for the wheels and the wheel shield and then start to draw the border and outline of the truck. Super easy, making a few different shapes. Steering wheel there, the front part, the back part, the mixer. A few stripes down the middle. There you have it, ready to paint. Sparkly grey for the steering wheel, sparkly yellow for the front body of the truck. I really love that grey against the yellow. We're going to do yellow on the inside of our tyres as well. Gorgeous. Let's go for grey again on the main body of the wheel. I do love the contrast of those two colours. They really stand out. Hey, do you like trucks? I love them. They're super important and super helpful too. They do so many cool jobs. This one mixes cement. Let's use blue for one of our stripes on the mixer. And how about some green for the next stripe? Gorgeous. What next? Oh, I know, some turquoise for our window. Perfect. Now for a dark green. Some royal blue to shield our wheels. Lovely arches. And some bright sparkly red for our main body of the mixer. Lovely! And the other side can be purple. Ooh, I'm loving this colourful mixer truck. Let's do orange for the bottom part. Yeah, and finally, some aquamarine. And we're done!